So Lumia Nodes day number 3, and today they are sold over 5,440 nodes. That is crazy, it's blowing up. So in this video we're going to find out how many tokens we earning every day, how much money we earning every day, and how fast we can potentially ROI. Also, I just sent to everybody who used my code, thank you so much. The code to get the note is Phil08 to these addresses here, 6 addresses. I picked them up, lucky wheel, and I send you $50 each. And in about 1 or 2 weeks I'm going to send again to few people $50 each. So make sure you watch me, use the code to get the note only if you want, and also that's how you can get the giveaway $50 back to your wallet. Okay, now in a nutshell, don't forget, I'm not your mama and papa, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your own research, make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Now, Lumia Nodes, they are selling fast, extremely fast, much more than I expect, and I'm not happy, to be honest. Why? Because how they work is more tokens are sold, more nodes are sold, less tokens we get. Okay, what does that mean? That means every single day they are given right here 1,000 and 100,000 tokens split between everybody who own the node. And let's see how much money we make. So if they are sold more nodes, you earning less tokens. Let's say if they're sold double than this, that means we earn double less tokens. If they are sold only 500 nodes, that means we're going to get 10 times more tokens every single day. Now, how to buy the node? First, you need VPN because the website is very dodgy. It doesn't work in every country. Make sure you use a VPN, Japan or Singapore or Hong Kong, I don't know, choose different country is going to work. Next thing, you need a USDT on Polygon, have some Matic for the fees, like 50 cents, basically it's free. The node right now is $1,000, still they are sold 10,000 nodes. Once it's sold over 10,000, the price is going to go up. And do you know what's interesting? When this number going to hit 9,000, they're going to flip over 10,000 just overnight. Why? Because every single node is exactly the same. But let's go to the point of the video, how many tokens we earn and how much money and how fast we can potentially ROI. Okay, so in only 3 days, I have one node, just like you, no referrals, nothing in this one, okay? This is only for you, okay? Because I own one node and I'm buying maybe one more today with one of my mates because that's my risk capital, okay? I was able to invest $1,000 to get a node, that's me personally, and then maybe I'm going to split the risk with somebody else in the next 24 hours because that's how I roll up. Okay, so in one node, I got 86 tokens right now, okay? 86 tokens. So how much is that? 86 tokens doesn't sound a lot. No, it's not, but it is what it is because they are sold too many tokens, too many nodes. So Orion token is going to become Lumia and it's going to be swapped 1-to-1, okay? Now make sure you understand that tokens will be locked for 90 days as I understand. We can unlock the tokens with some kind of fees, but at the moment the token is not swapped. It's not out yet. It's called Lumia token, okay? Lumia will be the token. Now, Orion, it's now the real token. However, this one is going to be swapped to Lumia, which means it's already listed on big exchange like Binance, okay? It was on Binance, now it's not, probably will be back. There we go, it's Binance, BitGet, Bitmark, KuCoin, Coinbase exchange, okay? There we go, so you're going to be swapped just to Lumia, which means it's going to be on tier 1 exchanges from day number 1, okay? So that's the good stuff. If this is swapped 1-to-1, and if we combine today calculator, let me just calculate, that's mean I have 86 tokens, and if I combine, by 1.55, that's exactly, I made $133, and if I divide that by 3 days, that's mean $44 per day. This is node at the moment is paying me $44 per day according this potential digital number of the price of the token. If it will be swapped 1-to-1. Now this is very interesting. Let's be more pessimistic and let's be more optimistic. But I like to be more pessimistic so I can get surprised how much we're earning. $44 per day. That is a lot of money for one node. Okay. Now when the token is going to be swapped, nobody knows. I believe in the next few weeks time. Now the tokens will be locked, as I understand, for 90 days. So you can unlock them. For the fee, I think you pay some penalty of around 50%. So not a lot of people going to unlock them. So that means not a lot of people going to dump the token on day number 1. Okay. So is it going to be worth to unlock and sell them early? I don't have clue. It is very early to say that. Now let's go and let's see what's the real number. If the price of the token is 155, and if this is the swap for 155, but let's see. Let's put the price down 30%, 35% from here, and let's say the token is only $1. Okay, let's be very pessimistic. If it's only $1, we just made $86 so far. Which means if we make $86 in 3 days, okay, this is the real maths, okay, you can divide by 3 days, we make $28 per day. That is a lot. Now, if the node selling getting slow down, that means if it stay around 6,000 range, we're still going to get the same amount of the tokens what we're getting. That means it's a good job. Now, if this number, where is the notes? They are sold over 10,000 notes, let's say 10,000, 11,000 from now, we're going to get double the money, okay? So let's pray the price is 150, around 150, so we're making around 44, 45 per day. In the worst scenario, the price drop double, that means we're making still around 22 bucks per day, and this stage, how many tokens we get. Now, a lot of people ask me what I think about their staking. Now, you can go and stake if you want, you can go down here, okay? You can go and stake. By the way, when you buy, make sure you use the code CryptoPhil, it's mean the world to me, okay? Sorry, Phil08, okay? Now, here they have available to stake if you want to delegate your tokens, okay? Earn more daily Lumia rewards. You can delegate for 3, 6, or 12 months. You can go here, delegate. So be careful. It's only one click. You don't need to approve anything. I'm not going, and here you can see staking multiplier by 4x. This is 5x for 6 months, and 12 months is 6x. Now, APY is 4.8%, but I don't know. There we go. You can still earn more daily Lumia rewards. Delegate to a data availability committee node for 3 months fixed term. So I don't delegate this node because I want to keep on track like everything was happening right here. And if I buy another node with my mate, probably we're going to delegate in for 3 or maybe the latest 6 months, because 12 months for me is a long term in a crypto space, but 3 months and 6 months can be, possible. That's up to you if you want to delegate. If you have maybe more referrals, or maybe if you have some kind of like a couple of nodes, I think it's worth it much more, to be honest. Now, go and dig up a little bit more about that. Ask them in their Telegram, go and read the white paper, but that's how it's working for Lumia Nodes. All right, so I don't want to keep you updated. It basically is the new home of the real world assets, okay? Remember that. So Lumia is the world's first next-gen modular L2 design to provide deep liquidity, unmatched capital efficiency, and essential infrastructure for the future of the DeFi, and especially for the real-world assets. So if these guys, they did 50% of what they're saying, this can freaking blow up. If they do 0%, this will tank down. And that's how they know to work. You buy, you hold, you earn tokens for the next 10 years. Now, for me, here will be for the next 2 or maybe 3 years, because every year we're getting less and less tokens, what's mean good because it's becoming deflationary. All right, love you all. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.